I found someone who made $1,000 in just 24 hours using ChatGPT with zero skills. So today I am going to copy exactly what he did, and we are going to find out if this is actually real or just internet nonsense. Now let's be honest, my only real skills are scrolling TikTok and eating instant noodles. So if this actually works, that means literally anyone can do it. This is just an experiment, okay? Here is the plan. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT for ideas. Step 2. Sell something. Step 3. Make money in 24 hours. Sounds simple, which usually means it is not. So I asked ChatGPT, how can I make money fast with no skills? And the answer was, sell simple services. Things like captions, scripts, or basic writing. So I picked the easiest one, writing captions and short scripts, because typing is basically my only talent. Now it is time to sell. I created a simple offer, viral captions for social media, very cheap price, just to get customers fast. And then we wait. 5 minutes, nothing. 10 minutes, still nothing. 30 minutes. Okay, this is getting awkward. Wait, I just got my first order. This is real. The client wants a TikTok caption. So I go back to ChatGPT, generate the caption, copy-paste, send, and they actually paid. And then something interesting happened. It worked again and again and again. At this point, this does not even feel like work. It feels like I am farming money. ChatGPT is doing the work, and I'm getting paid for it. Now we are close to 24 hours. Let's see the total. This is how much I made. Not crazy, but also not bad at all. And remember, this required zero real skills. So is this legit? Yes, but it is not magic. You still need to put in effort. You still need to find customers. And you need consistency. ChatGPT is not a money machine. It is just a tool that makes things faster. If someone with no skills like me can do this, you can too. By the way, this is just an experiment. This is not some get-rich-quick thing, because if it was that easy, I would be retired already. And if you want me to test even crazier ways to make money with AI, make sure you subscribe before I accidentally become rich.